Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can get this always on display AOD on Moto H50 mobiles. See here, that is Moto H50, not H50 Fusion, but this works on H50 Fusion also. So whichever the Moto mobile you're using, if you feel like there is no always on display, actually there is sleep display actually on the settings, but there is no always on display on this mobile. But see here, now I have enabled this. I have achieved always on display on this mobile. I'll tell you how you can do that also. Yeah, first of all, see, this is the Moto. Let me just open this with my fingerprint. This is the mobile I purchased just 1 week ago. So I'll be opening settings of the mobile. First of all, let me show you the model name, Moto H50. And under settings, there is sleep display, you can see here. Under home and lock screen, and under lock screen, there is sleep display. See here, sleep display. Use sleep display, tap to show, lift to show, move to show. But there is no always on. I'll tell you what is the sleep display, and this is always on display. Okay, when I take this phone like this, or when I tap this is the sleep display, you can say, means, yeah, or yeah, when you take this mobile, then the sleep display activates. But if you want this sort of always on display, you need to install a app from the Play Store. Means with the app only we can achieve this, because the default option is not yet available on this phone, means on this model. Maybe on Moto H60 Fusion, maybe they bring this always on display. So if someone using Moto H60 Fusion, please do comment whether it is available on your devices. So this is the Muviz Edge, Muviz Edge. So open the Play Store. No thanks. Under the search, you can search as Movies Edge. Not only this app, remember, this is not a promotional video or not a recommendation. I am just using this for the past 3 days only, and maybe in couple of days maybe I may be uninstalling that, because first of all, listen, always on display will consume battery. So this is 5000 mAh battery, this Moto H50 mobile. So if you concern about battery, don't go for this option at all. So once you install this and open, there are different sort of options available. Some are premium and some are free version. See, this is what now I'm currently using. Okay, if you play any song, this will show up on the lock screen like this as the always on display. If you go for this, yeah, this is what yeah, different sort of always on displays are available. See, the star one is the premium one, you need to purchase that, and all others are free. You can use this style also. So just for you to show, I'll be just clicking on apply here just for a moment. Applied. So what I'll do is, I'll be going to the home screen and I'll be locking this Moto H50. See, this is now the always on display looks like. And not only this app, there are few apps available on the Play Store. You can check the ratings, review and own research, and you can uh, always see always on AMOLED, and various apps are available. But I use this one. Currently I use this one. You can do a small research, and always on display you can search or AOD, always on display. See, 4.4 rating, and the one I installed got some rating. Yeah, 4.4 only. And you can, yes, always on display, always on display, yeah. So, and on this app also there are settings to save uh, battery power, and here you will find that settings. See, this settings, gear icon settings, and here you can see disable on battery power saver, and always on display, brightness is 60%, and see the time, means it works for the 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes this automatically gets disabled. You can keep up to 30 minutes. For example, just for the checking purpose, I just kept it to 15 seconds and will test it. Orientation is auto, so you can keep it to portrait always, that is your choice. Close on double tap, these are the default settings. I didn't keep this off. And AOD for limited period of time will be saving your battery power. Okay, like I kept the setting like 15 minutes, 15 seconds auto off. So for 15 seconds, after 15 seconds this gets turned off. But previously my setting is I kept like 10 minutes. 10 minutes is fine for me. So yeah, basically I like this AOD. See, after 15 seconds this automatically got turned off, and on the touch it's also activated. And please do comment how is this keychain, and I got this for 20 rupees, not online but offline. And this Potronics mouse for 300 rupees. If possible, I will trying to attach this in the view products. And please do comment your opinion on this. If you like this video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.